Okay, last one. We have a couple operations in here we need to simplify. So part A is we're adding, but this 10 here, we have to multiply first. Remember order of operations? We have to multiply the 10, and then we're going to add. So I'm going to multiply the 10. I have negative, I'm going to write it up here. 10 times negative 2 is negative 20. 10 times 3 is 30, and we have an I. And then remember when we add, we drop the parentheses. So I'm just going to get rid of that and do plus negative 8 minus 9i. Let's combine our like terms. So I have negative 20 plus negative 8. Remember, that's kind of weird when we have two signs. It's really negative 20 minus 8, which is negative 28. And now I need to combine my two terms that have I. So 30 minus 9, and then the I comes along. 30 minus 9 is 21, and then we have an I. So negative 28 plus 21i. And our next one is, we're multiplying because they're right next to each other. They're the same thing, opposite signs. So remember, our i's should go away. So let's multiply. I'm going to write my first one split. And then the second binomial, I'm going to write twice. So 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 7 is 56, but we have an I. Negative 7 times 8 is negative 56, but we have an I. Negative 7 times positive 7 is negative 49, but I have I squared. So remember I said our i's were going to go away because we have positive 56 minus 56. That gives us 0i, and 0i is just 0. So all of that's gone. And then the I squared becomes negative 1. So I'm going to replace with negative 1, and that changes the sign. So now I have 64. Negative times a negative is a positive 49. 64 plus 49 is 113. And that's our answer. So when we have ones that look like that, same thing, positive signs, the i's go away. You're just left with a number.